In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar site settings in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully appear so you can clearly see the website in your browser. This is important because the next option we need is connected to the site currently open in the address bar. Now look at the upper left area of the browser's address bar. Right next to the website address, you'll see a padlock icon. This icon gives you access to information and permissions related to the website you're visiting. It's a useful place to check when you want to manage how a specific site behaves in Chrome, including things like notifications, cookies, pop-ups, camera access, or other permission-related settings. Click the padlock icon on the left side of the address bar. A small menu will open, showing details about the connection and available options for that website. If you don't see the menu right away, just click carefully once on the icon and wait a second for the panel to appear. From that menu, select Site Settings. This will open a new Chrome tab or settings page specifically for Google Calendar. On that page, you'll be able to review and adjust the permissions and behavior Chrome allows for that website. This is especially helpful if Google Calendar isn't working the way you expect, or if you need to allow or block certain site features. That's all you need to do. You've successfully opened the site settings for Google Calendar in Chrome. If you plan to make changes there, take a moment to read each setting before adjusting it, so you understand exactly how it may affect the site's performance and your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to quickly access Google Calendar site settings directly from Chrome.